Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech Deep. So in this video we are not going to do the unboxing of any tech product. Yeah, we are going to do the unboxing of a box from Smytten. So you might be wondering which is this site called Smytten. Actually this is a cosmetic brand site, and both men's and women's cosmetic products are available in this website. And the specialty of this website is that if you create a new account, you guys can get up to 6 trials per new account, and it just includes a cash on delivery amount of 199. If you select all the cosmetic products, then you will have to pay just 199 for 6 trials, and it takes only 200 rupees for the shipping. So actually guys, this website is very much handy for those who are trying to test new cosmetic products. So this I ordered during the Valentine's Day week, and the specialty of that week was that if you order a trial product, then we were getting a leather pouch worth rupees 500 for every trial order placed during the Valentine's Day. So now only I got this box. So let's open the box and see which all things that I have placed during that offer. So I have got my knife. So I think we will have to open it like this. Yeah, we will have to cut off the seal down here. And yeah guys, this is the box, and let me keep the box to the side. And yeah guys, this is the leather pouch that I got when I ordered during the Valentine's Day. So here it's mentioned Hamelin. So it's actually a branded pouch that they are giving. Let's open it and see. So yeah, this is a branded leather pouch from Smytten, and inside the pouch the cushioning is provided. So it's a very good quality leather pouch, and they were giving this pouch for free during the Valentine's Day. That's great from Smytten. Let's keep it to the side, and here are the trial products that I ordered. So let's peel this off. And the first product that I ordered is the One Night perfume. You guys must know that this is a very premium branded perfume, and the price quoted here is 75 rupees. So the first product that I ordered is the One Night perfume, and it is the aqua flavor. So this is great product, and this is a pocket perfume. So let's keep it to the side, and let's move on to the next product. The next product that I actually purchased is Watery under eye cream, and this is a full product. That is, if we buy a full product, then we will have to redeem 2 trial points, and if you are buying a sample product, then only 1 trial point will be redeemed. So this took me 2 trial points to buy this product. So this is a full product, and the price of this product is actually around 1800 rupees. And you might be wondering that we are getting all these trial products for just 199 rupees, and that's a very great deal from Smytten. So this is a full product from Watery, and this is an under eye cream. That is, it reduces the dark shades under our eye, and the price of this product is actually 1760 rupees, but you guys can order the trial from Smytten. So this is a full product. So this is the second product, and the third product that I ordered is this one. So this is a pore cleansing face wash, and the brand is Plum, and this is also a sample product. This is not a full size product, and coming to the price, it is 100 rupees. So this is also a great cream, and this can be used for both for men and women. So let me keep it to the side. And the last product that I ordered is from Just Herbs, and this is a bitter orange neem dehydrant face wash, and this is available exclusively from Smytten. So this is also a great product, and if you look at the original price of this product, we can see that it's mentioned 155 rupees. So these products took me around only one trial point, but this one took me 2 or 3 trial points. So these are the 4 things that I ordered out of the 6 trial points that I have got when I created a new account. So also when I ordered during the Valentine's Day, I got this leather pouch from Smytten, which is really of great quality. So actually guys, if you wanna try new cosmetic products, you guys can definitely check out Smytten. You guys can go to Google and search Smytten, and the web page comes. Also an app is available for both Android and iOS. So if you want, you can download the app and create a new account. You get trial points for new trials, and you guys can purchase which all trials that you are most preferring for you. So hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a like and also subscribe to the channel for more tech and other cosmetic related videos. Hope we can see in our next video. Bye guys.